employees.
Ki Sngewbha bapher ki badon ha Garo Hills ki bakenthop ya GSU ADE FKJGP FAF bad ka AYWO ki lapen bana ban Pyllong ya ka Curfew Mynmiet ha ka RPR bad RPSAW tarik unai lur nado ka por khandai beje Mynmiet hado ka por san beje stem kani ka ki ka long ban persha ya ka rai jong ka sarkar jila ban penyat ya ka Tura Medical College hapo ka PPP mut bad ka ka badang beteng jong ka GHADC u Deputy Commissioner u Webher akarwar ula pen tikna ban shim yigi sinjam ban wanra yigi jingshan da ka ba pen trekam ya ka section ka ba shispa hanre phulai jong ka BNSS ban khangla na kinu gi jingja basngusi ula kerpat yigi nong shongshnong ban long gi ba jai jai bat ban budanti yigi kendon an bat banchur ya ka jingdon kam ban pen bet yigi jing da kalenti ka ba ben.
Ultimately, what I would like to appeal to all the people is that to not do something which violates the law, right? Because ultimately, whatever protest has been happening so far has been happening very peacefully, and the administration is also respecting that, and there is a mutual respect between the administration and the protesters as well. So till now, 2 rallies have happened. They also happened ended peacefully only, and we gave permission for all those 2 rallies as well. So what I would like to appeal to people is to do things which are in the ambit of the law, so that this peace remains, right? So the protest that is happening so far, the administration has also respected that and has allowed it peacefully. So anything which violates the law, obviously we'll have to take action on.
Ka National Ayush Mission